So you wanted a tutorial on eyeshadow, so here we go. First shadow is going to be that little rose color. I was going for a purple color, but it just didn't work. I did like the end result though. So all it is building your colors. You're going to start with the lightest color and then go to your darkest color. I'm just showing you the brushes that I used. I used that one for the crease. And then that one's going to be the next color we're going to do. And then we're just going to keep building and building until we finally get to the end of it. And yeah, you're just going to go back and forth, windshield wiper modes and little circles. And you just keep going until you get it to the consistency that you want. This is going to be the third eyeshadow. It was supposed to be more purple, but it still came out pretty. And then yeah, it's the same thing. This one's going to be more based on the outer corner and the crease. And then you're going to keep building it up with the darker color that you want. Like I said, you don't have to use these colors. These are the colors I used for this look. So it's up to you. You can even just use like 3 colors and it'll look fine. It'll look really pretty. But that's it. And then the next one is going to be a darker color, I believe. Yep. And then that one's to take out the harsh lines. It's going to be like a buffer, I want to say. And then we're just going to keep doing that until it buffs it all out. And yeah, so there it is. It's just trying to get rid of those harsh lines. And then the next color is going to go concentrated. See how it's dark purple, even more on the V corner of your eyelid. And then I believe the next thing we're going to do is cut the crease with some concealer. That's not hard, it just takes practice. Okay, now this part was kind of hard to type in, so I'm just going to do a voiceover. It's called a cut crease, and you do it with concealer. Just put it on a really flat brush, and you're going to go over the lid part. And I'm only going to take it not all the way to the end and not all the way up. So it's just going to be that little tiny part of the lid. It's going to make any eyeshadow I put on there pop. And I think I'm going to put like this peach orange color, and you'll see what I mean when it does it. Okay, and then this part is where I just stamp on the eyelid color, which is an orange peachy color. Okay, so this one I got with my finger because the brush wasn't picking it up, and that's what happens sometimes. So I'm just picking it up with my finger and I'm stamping it next to that peachy color and then next to the little V corner of my eye, and that's where I smoked it out. That's where I put the most dark colors on, and that's going to give it that smoky look. And this also is, it looks like it transitions into the darker color, so it's kind of like that fade look kind of. So yeah, and that's why I'm stamping it on, and I'm going to keep doing it till I get it to where I want it. Okay, so I'm showing you how it looks. That's where I stamped it on, and now I'm going to get the darker color, or maybe I'm still stamping more on it. Oh yeah, that's more of that same color on it. And then next is the darker color. Okay, so now I'm going to stamp on that darkest color. And when you do this, you don't have to do this with the colors I have. This is just showing you how I do it. So what you do is you start from light, layer it, and go into dark. And when you get to the darkest colors, you just start doing just that little V in the corner. And right there, I'm just stamping on that darkest color from that palette. And that's the Bloodlust palette from Jeffree Star. I love me that palette. Yes, I do. Okay, and then I'm just going to continue to do that. I'm getting a brush now, and I'm going to do a little circle so I can get rid of the hard lines on it, because sometimes it'll leave harsh lines. And that's it, really. I'm going to, I think I'll fast forward it from here. And this part is just the under the eyebrow part. You can do it or you can't. I just do it because, I don't know, I just like the way it looks. So it's just a really light color on that part, under the eyebrow. And this part is me just putting falsies on. You can do this or you can't. I was just showing you how I put the glue on there. I put the glue on my eyelashes, place it on there with some tweezers, and I'm done. Oh, don't let me forget the other side. Okay, so this is the other side of me putting the falsies on, and I'm also putting on my contour, and that's going to be like a bronzer. You can use any kind. After that is going to be some blush, I believe. Oh, I was right. Blush, don't you know? And that's just going to go on top of the contour or bronzer. And we are pretty much done. I just add eyeliner, and that's it. I don't have a finished look picture, so sorry. But yeah, that's it. Bye.